Ever stop to think about your socks? Probably not. But what if we told you that each pair is the result of mind-blowing machines working in perfect harmony? Hidden inside sock factories are futuristic knitting robots. Let's unravel the story of how your humble socks are made. In this video, we're taking you on a journey inside a modern sock factory, where tradition meets automation. From colorful threads to the final product, you'll witness how socks are stitched, shaped, and packaged with remarkable precision, all in just minutes. It all starts with massive spools of yarn, cotton, polyester, spandex, carefully selected for stretch, softness, and durability. The threads are fed into circular knitting machines programmed to weave complex patterns and sizes. These machines spin at lightning speed, creating the tubular sock structure row by row. Once the body of the sock is complete, the machine seamlessly forms the heel and toe, areas that require extra durability and shaping. Some advanced factories use robotic arms to reposition the sock mid-process for perfect stitching accuracy. After knitting, the socks are open at the toe. This is where linking machines come in, invisibly stitching the seam closed so there's no uncomfortable ridge. Then it's off to a steam press to shape and smooth the socks to their final form. Before packaging, each sock is scanned for holes or defects using automated inspection systems. Pairs are then folded, tagged, and bagged at lightning speed, ready for shelves around the world. Amazed by the hidden tech behind your everyday socks? Smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more factory secrets and behind-the-scenes industrial magic.